In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo S40 key fob. This is an incredibly easy key fob to open. The only thing you'll need is a regular flathead screwdriver and a CR 2016 battery. And you can get these online. If you're interested, go check out that first link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. First step is to look up on the top of the device, find that slot right along the seam, and just put your flathead screwdriver in there and gently twist. That will push apart the two halves of the device. You can just go ahead and open it up. Now the battery comes out very easily. You just dump it out, or you can kind of pry it out if yours is a little bit more stuck in there. But all you want to do is get this old battery out of there. Take your new CR 2016 and make sure that when you're putting it in, the positive side that has the plus sign on it and the text is facing up. Just set that right into its place there and put the back on top. Just squeeze it back together and there you are. You have a new battery in your device and you should be good to go with that battery for a long time. So I hope this video helped you out, and I hope it was easy enough. And if you liked it, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel and we will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. You can also get this information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.